snowing outside, so we're gonna open the December Howl at the Moon Mystic Wolf treasure box inside today. We've got lots of goodies, and right on the top is the moon calendar for 2023. Check out my reflection in there. Oh, there's a cute little card. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna stop whimpering. So, Golden Healer. That's the name of her stone? Cool. That's neat. Okay, so this month's stone is called the Golden Healer. Alright, let's see. Let's see what goodies we have in here. Ooh, pretty. Okay, let's start with this card. Isn't that beautiful? And this card is for spiritual connection. There we go. A relationship has a connection that goes beyond this lifetime. Oh, tell me about it. And this deck is right here, Whispers of Love. It's a beautiful, beautiful deck. Wow. I love this. We have a Yule oil. I'm going to have to give this a little whiffy whiff. Oh, the sniffer likes the whiffy whiff. Oh, how awesome. It's a Howl at the Moon ornament. Now, I do have a Yule tree, so this is going to go directly on my Yule tree. So, little baggie. Oh, look at him. Look at him. Okay, there's your polished stone. Always get a polished, and we always get a raw stone, too. Oh, it's so pretty. It's sparkly. And we have a bracelet, stretchy bracelet with a star, which is perfect for Yule. And our last piece is this teardrop necklace, which, of course, we know it's going to work also as a pendulum. These are so awesome. I love it. I love it. That's the December Mystic Wolf treasure box from Howl at the Moon. Be sure to check out the website. She's got lots of great stuff on there and tons of great information. Guys, have a blessed Yule. Bye-bye.